Hello everyone, long time no see. This is Eric at RC Monster Garage. What we got here today, this is a quick look at the Ryft kit. I put mine together and I'm gonna go and test it out. And it's actually pretty cool after you finish building it. I was not happy from the 2-speed transmission that they have. They pick up a servo for it and make a servo mount that only specific servo can fit, and it's not really working that well. The servo is not strong enough to pull it. But other than that, I just want to show you guys how it looks, and this is the remote that I'm gonna use on it. But it's end up really cool. I painted those driver blue. I left the gray color. It's kind of like a military gray, so I really like it. Of course, this is how you open to put your battery in. I'm gonna make a couple of video about driving it, and I'm gonna do a couple upgraded. I change a lot of different things on it that I'm gonna make a specific video for. The shocks over here, I already filled them up with the lossy oil with a 35 weight. I want you to see here those small brakes on the back, like those disc brakes. Actually, the brakes caliper is turning with the car, so it's really cool. It's a front, rear, and center differential. So the center differential seat right there, kind of between everything, and you cannot really see it, and it's a 2-gear system. But the problem with those 2 gears again is the weak servo that they ask for it. And then like this thing have amazing turn rate. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up everything for a run, and I'm gonna show you how it's run, and I guess we go for there. Now, I haven't put those side panel over here because I think that it's look much cooler, and I haven't put the top piece or the front. But what I'm gonna do actually, I'm gonna make those out of carbon fiber, so it's gonna look actually much cooler, and also on a crash it's gonna give a little bit more integrity, because all those plastic pieces hook up together here, they're kind of really soft. Look at this. It's really soft. I want it to be a little bit more rigid. It will be actually a little bit nicer. Anyway, like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.